King Charles III's Crown Estate, which owns Britain's seabed, said on Tuesday it will invest up to $543 million in the country's offshore wind supply chain. It says the investment is intended to support the construction of new infrastructure, including ports, as well as supply chain manufacturing and research and testing facilities. One of the barriers to further deployment of offshore wind is insufficient supply chain capacity. Britain plans to largely decarbonise its electricity sector by 2030. It wants to increase renewable power, particularly offshore wind, to insulate it from fossil fuel price shocks. The capital will be channelled through two programmes. The Crown Estate also has another programme which supports early-stage project development. Last month, the Crown Estate gave the go-ahead to expand capacity at 7 wind farm projects on current seabed leases.